Let me show you how you can make this skirt with only 2 measurements. So grab your measuring tape and measure around your hips and the length of the skirt. This is obviously optional, depends on how long you want it to be. You're going to cut 2 panels. So the width of the panel will be the measurement of your hips and the length will be the skirt length you want times 2. Make sure to use a light fabric. In this case, I'm using chiffon. Once you cut both panels, you'll be left with 2 panels like this, and you're going to fold them in half. Make sure to press that fold, and from the folded edge down, you're going to start marking where you want the shirring lines to be. In my case, I did about 15 lines. Since I was using a print fabric, it was a little bit hard for me to draw the line, but I would suggest to draw the lines on the fabric to make the process a little bit easier. Now let's get to shirring. Remember, you have to hand wind your bobbin with the elastic thread, and basically you're going to start sewing just like this, how I'm showing you. Here's a better drawing of what you need to do, but this is a technique so you won't need to cut off the thread after each row. So basically, once you get to one of the corners, you're going to lift your presser foot, turn your project, continue sewing until the next line, turn your project again, and continue sewing down the other line. And you're basically going to repeat this process until you make all of the shirring lines you want. Now we're going to make the top edge of the skirt shorter. In my case, I decided to make it 6 centimeters shorter. So you basically just measure that around the panel and cut it off, and it'll give that beautiful 2-layered effect. Next, I just made a double rolled hem and repeated the process for both skirt panels. You can now sew the sides together and sew the hem of the longer layer. And that is literally it. It's so easy, yet it's so beautiful. Made a matching top for it, and I'm incredibly obsessed with how this turned out. It looks like I took all the time in the world to make it, and it was so easy to make.